Hey guys, yo, what up? Me, Patrick Levar, back again. I was just trolling around in the Android App Store, and I came across this cool little app here. I basically want to take a look at with you guys. It's called Vochi or Vochi, Vochi, but it's a cool little app here. It is a kind of a paid app, but there is some free stuff that you can do. But one thing that I thought it was really cool was and useful for, you guys, it's got this little scroll feed here. You can get some inspiration and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. But to get into what this app actually does, which caught my eye, for example, here. I did this little CG thing here yesterday on yesterday's live stream, and I wanted to add some more effects to it and stuff like that. And I thought this was really cool here. Take a look at this. If I click on the object here, it kind of like, let's see if I can zoom in. But basically, you can see what I'm doing. I'm selecting. It's kind of like doing like an auto select. It's like masking. So if I select the text here, and if I hit this right here, I can basically zoom in now and kind of get a better, see here, kind of feel, I want to kind of feel all the letters here a little bit. And it's kind of like an AI, kind of like trying to just guess what you want to do. So what I do is get as close as possible. Then you click this add button, and then I can just keep tabbing, and you can see that it's kind of adding in. Zoom in a little bit. I've already kind of found out that, like, see, like the controls on the app are a little bit kind of crappy. Again, I'm using the free version. It is it does have some premium options, which I'll kind of go through in a minute here. Again, this app didn't reach out to me. I just found this app when I was scrolling through Instagram, and I saw a little quick commercial for it. So I added this little mask on here, and then check it out. What I'll do here is go ahead and hit apply. And I thought this was cool really here. And if you see this one here, it says line. Of course, the one next to it says pro. But if you click this one that says line, and then I go add effect, look what it quickly does. It just quickly outlines what I did there. I think that is really cool, man. That's pretty awesome. And hang on, let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger for you guys so you guys can see what's going on here. But anyways, it added basically like this little line effect to it, which is a really cool and quick, easy way to just do like some added effects. So I would do that and, render out a version of this and then save it. But one thing that I thought was really cool, let's take a look at something else here. Of course, it's got some filters in here. You got a bunch of free filters, but everything with Pro on it, basically, you have to buy the app. And I don't think I'll be buying this app. To me, it seems a little bit pricey. Pretty much everything, to all the really, really cool stuff, you need to buy the app, basically. But for example, if I click the Pro version, so you can use it weekly for $3.99 a week. That's a little pricey there. You can use it for a year for $40 a year, or lifetime access for $89. That's a little bit crazy. But the free version, I'm able to do what I need to get done. And one thing that I did like about it, hang on, let me back out of here, was this option as far as like, I've been doing a lot of product reviews lately, and one thing I liked that was pretty cool. For example, let's see if I can select this bag here. Yeah, okay, now, so I got this bag here, right? And I want to go ahead and select the object here. Let's see if I can get it all. Almost got it all. See, I mean, if I'm going to be paying $89 for something, I want this AI touch thing to be a little bit more accurate. And definitely the painting tool is substandard. I mean, look at this. Like, really? Come on. We can go to what other app that is oh man, I can't. Snapseed has got like an awesome painting tool, like really, and it's free. So like, if you guys really want me to pay $89 a year for this, there's a lot of stuff that needs to improve on this app. But let me just get what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so here's the deal, right? I got this bag here, and I thought this was cool. Hit apply, and then I'm going to scroll all the way over here to the text. They have a couple of text options here. So where is it at? We got all kinds of options, neon sketch, and a lot of this stuff. A lot of these, I mean, I've seen inside of what is that other app? CapCut. I've seen a lot of these in CapCut. This is one I kind of thought was cool, right? So again, let me go ahead and click in here, and then type your text. Oh, really? It's a pro just to do the type? Okay, yeah. This is no go. I want to go T A R I. Whoop. Boom. And like to have that, that's really cool to be able to do that quick and easy on your phone. And are you sure? Like, I can't use that. Come on. Hang on. Save. So what is the point of showing that option if it's not free there? And apply text. No. Yeah, that totally sucks. Okay. Well, you can't use the spinning text, which sucks. Again, and it shows it's one of the free options. Again, the same here. You know what? Yeah, total buzzkill. That just killed my vibe with this app right now. Like they show the option for here's the ones down here at the bottom that says Pro, and this one doesn't have the Pro symbol on it, right? So you would assume that you can just use it, and then you click on that and apply. Type your text. Yes, I want to type my text. And then click on here to go type my text, and it's a pro version. Whatever. But that would have been cool. That would have been cool. I thought that was kind of cool. So just quickly, I mean, if somebody's interested in this, you want to go ahead and pay for the premium. It is an option. You know, the line effect, I thought it was pretty cool. What other little effects they have in here? Little old rainbow stuff here for Pride Week. What do we got? Mate, no, that's not free. Glow. Yeah, a lot of these I've seen before inside of, like I said, clap cut, glitter, prisms. But yeah, that what caught my eye was the text one, and I was really hoping that I could have used the text one because that would have been really cool and convenient. That's pretty cool. Whatever. That's pretty cool. What about this ribbon here? Ribbon. Let's go ahead and jump into that. Ah, that's pretty cool. See, check it out. If you get the mask better, that will look a little bit more cleaner. And then you got these other ones here, stuff like that. They've got a bunch of filters and adjust. But yeah, I'm totally bummed that I couldn't use the filter one right there for the text. So quickly, just wanted to jump in here and show you guys a little app I've been playing around in the App Store here, trying to find something interesting and cool. Came across this like about a couple of minutes ago, and I was like, you know what, let me share this. And yeah, it is what it is. I think it's a new app that just came out, so they may, you know, those prices may adjust because those prices are really overpriced for the quality of this app at the moment. They need to get on that and address that. So, quickly, Patrick Levar, going to be doing some more app reviews, just going through a bunch of apps. Anything I find cool and interesting, I'm going to throw them up there for you guys. So, Vochi app, it's okay. Not the greatest. Maybe it'll improve. But, yeah. Keep filming. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Patreon's up there. Buy me a cup of coffee. We'll be doing more stuff like this. Just quick app reviews. If there's any apps that you guys want me to kind of go through, let me know down in the comments, and I'll see about loading them up. Patrick Levar, keep filming. Peace.